IV therapy is a method of providing high-dose vitamins and minerals in quantities that would otherwise be very hard to attain from just diet or supplementation alone. There are multiple reasons why IV therapy can sometimes be better than supplementation. One of them is that most of us don't actually eat a diet that is high in vitamins and minerals every day. The standard American diet consists of mostly carbohydrates and fatty foods, and most of these do not provide the recommended daily allowance of the vitamins and minerals that our body needs to function properly. One of the other reasons is that a lot of people are suffering from digestive disturbances, and this affects your ability to absorb your vitamins and minerals. So even if you are supplementing with vitamins, you might not be absorbing everything that you're putting into your body, and so you might not be noticing any effects. When you come into the clinic for IV therapy, we will take you back to the IV suite and do a quick check-in before we go to formulate the custom IV preparation that we have determined will be best for your health concerns. It will take us a couple minutes to set up the IV, and then we will leave you to sit back and relax. You can read a book or listen to music, anything else that you feel will pass the time for you. Most IVs last anywhere from 20 minutes to 2 hours, depending on your specific health concerns. We will come back in multiple times to check on you and make sure that everything is going all right. And after the IV is finished, we will clean you up and send you on your way. And that's basically everything that is involved in a typical IV here at ARC Integrated Medicine. There are multiple conditions that can benefit from IV therapy, and we divide these into acute presentations and more chronic conditions. Some of the acute conditions that benefit from IV therapy include things like a cold or a flu, or maybe you're experiencing PMS symptoms, or you're starting to get the onset of a migraine headache, or maybe you're experiencing acute asthma flare-ups. Any of these conditions, if you come into the clinic right away and sit down for an IV therapy with us, we will customize the vitamins and minerals that we put into the bag in order to treat the specific symptoms that you're experiencing. And this might help to reduce your symptoms and maybe even reduce your need for taking most of those supplements and medications that you would otherwise turn to without the IV therapy. Looking at more chronic conditions, some of the things that can benefit from IV therapy are people with chronic depression. Most of these people have deficiencies in the vitamins and minerals that are needed to synthesize neurotransmitters, which is what primarily controls your mood. People with fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue can benefit from IV therapy because most of these people have multiple nutrient deficiencies, and these nutrients are needed for organ processes and healthy cell functioning throughout your body. One of the other situations would be somebody who is just experiencing a general depletion from chronic stress, or maybe you've had lots of infections, a string of chronic infections that have depleted your immune system, and you just need a boost in vitamins and minerals in order to get you back to a normal level of functioning. And this can be done quite a bit faster with IV therapy than it can be with diet and supplementation. If you think that IV therapy might be beneficial for you, or you have more questions for us, please feel free to call the clinic at any time to set up an appointment or a free consultation to determine if IV therapy might be a good fit for you. And we can also discuss the types of specific formulations that we can prepare for you to best suit your health needs.